Microsoft uses the same key format. Windows 10 activation with Windows 11 product key. Complete guide. Windows 10 accepts Windows 11 product keys when editions match. Home keys activate Home, Pro keys activate Pro. Retail and digital licenses work both ways. How activation works. Microsoft uses the same key format across Windows 10-11. A Windows 11 Pro key validates on Windows 10 Pro instantly. Digital licenses tied to your Microsoft account auto-activate during install or upgrade/downgrade. Activation steps. Install Windows 10. Skip key entry if digital license exists. Settings. System. Activation. Change product key. Enter Windows 11 key. Click Next. Edition compatibility. Windows 10 edition. Windows 11 key. Result. Windows 10 edition. Windows 11 key. Result. Home. Home. Activates. Pro. Pro. Activates. Enterprise. Enterprise. Activates. Home. Pro. Fails. Admin scenarios. Intune downgrades. Pre-provision keys in deployment packages. Test ring 1 first. OEM systems. Motherboard locked keys rarely cross editions. Use retail keys. Bulk licensing. Volume keys don't downgrade. Need separate Win 10 VLK. Troubleshooting. Error 0xC004F050. Edition mismatch. Phone activation for legacy keys. SLMGR/IPK. Key from elevated CMD for scripting. Perfect for extending Win 10 life on unsupported hardware.